Hey everyone, this is Cindy Tilson, and I hope you're having a tremendous Tuesday today. And it is beautiful here in Virginia, so I've went out already and did errands and enjoyed the nice bright sunlight and sunshine because it was kind of chilly here the past few days. And when I came back, I decided I wanted to do a video for you guys about how to lower your spam score and get response. And what I'm going to show you is what I did to move my spam score from like 3.8 down to 1.33. And I'm going to be working with a email that is already in my autoresponder series for time with the video so it doesn't go on and on and on and on. And so let's get into it. So there, I'm already in my Get Response account, and I'm going to go over here to email marketing, and I'm going to go into autoresponders. And I'm going to be working with this email right here. And we're going to edit the message. And right now you see where I'm using my Gmail as my from and reply to emails. And we're going to talk about that in a few minutes once we get to that part of it. So here's the email. And I'm going to show you currently, move myself out of the way. Currently what the spam score is for this video, for this email, 3.8929999999. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is you're going to have to see where this says ADSP custom med hit and not from a mailing list, and you're at 1.2. So the way that you're going to fix that particular problem is you're going to go back to where you started setting up your email, and this is what we're going to talk about the email here. It's best if you do not use a free mail like Gmail or Yahoo or something like that, that you use a domain name and set up an email address. And that's what I did with GoDaddy with my domain that I'm using. And so watch when I change this and change my reply to my domain email that I bought. Go back over here, and we're going to check the spam score. And voila, it's down to 2.441. So the next problem and the next big problem is this. The message only has text and HTML MIME parts. And this is a biggie because it's 1.1 points of your spam in the spam score. So the way that you're going to fix that is this. You are going to go down to oh, you can't see it. I got to move the whole screen down. You're going to go down to where it says plain text. And you're going to click HTML to plain. And if your text is going over this red line here, that is also going to cause issues with your email. But if you click wrap long lines right here, and close it, then your email will be just like, it's not going to change how the email is, it just changes the background of it. And we're going to, God, I can't keep myself in a good spot. Go back to the spam score, and now it is back down to 1.33. The other big thing is it contains a URL grade listed in URIBL. Now, I did a lot of research on this and to see if there was a way to get this down. And I think that when you have a new account with Get Response, I think that this may be something that is coming up because I did some videos and watched some things and like I said, I did a lot of research. But I'm using a brand new Get Response and a brand new domain name. And in fact, this is coming up even in an email that I don't even have a link in. My very first email in this autoresponder series does not have a link in it at all. So, and it's still coming up as grade listed. So this is something that over time with having your Get Response account is probably going to change and lower as you continue to use your Get Response account. So, so I took my spam score from 3.89 down to 1.33, and those are the two tips that I use to make that happen. And you can do it too. So if you found this helpful, just respond and make a comment to it. If you'd like to get started with the business that I do, you can check it out at the domain below. And I have all my contact information if you have any questions about your Get Response and how to lower the spam score. Talk to y'all soon and have a wonderful afternoon this Tuesday. Bye-bye.